The 10 most exciting areas in a woman's body. For a successful marital relationship that delights both parties, a man should engage in a series of caresses that excite the woman through specific areas of her body that are most affected by these caresses. Number 10. The thigh area is considered one of the areas that contains many nerve endings that respond quickly to caresses. Number 9. The area behind the knee. While men may not pay attention to this area, it is considered one of the most sensitive areas of a woman's body. Number 8. The buttocks are one of the areas that women love to be caressed due to their extreme sensitivity. Number 7. The back of the neck. Just breathing behind this area will make her shiver and increase her arousal. Number 6. The ear area. This area is suitable for quick and effective caresses, just by whispering words of love. Number 5. The feet. Massaging the feet gives a woman a sense of comfort, relieves her tension, and makes her feel aroused. Number 4. The wrists are also considered a sensitive area that a husband may neglect. Running your fingers over them can make them more arousing. Number 3. The breasts. The symbol of femininity in women and one of the most sensitive areas for foreplay. Step 2. The pelvic area is a highly sensitive area, but don't overstimulate this area until she asks you to. Step 1. The lips are the most foreplayed area if you know how to exploit them.